Hi everyone. Oh my. I haven't been around for about a week. I haven't done a video. Anyhow, let me see. There's been a little something going on in my personal life that I can't really talk about, but it's been very depressing. But uh, with that said, I've also been busy. It's that time of year where I need to get this place ready for the winter. So I cover my windows with plastic. Now, I don't know if you can see that. That's my that's my door window. I haven't covered that one yet, but the big one I did. Now, you know those kits that you get to cover your windows with. Anyhow, they're really expensive, like about $20 for a kit, 15, $20, I think. Anyhow, and that's what I've been using for years to cover my windows. And I stopped using that for a while, for a couple of years, because I saw something on YouTube for the large bubble wrap, for the large bubble wrap. Um, and I tried that for a couple of years, and that was okay for the first year, but it's not the best thing to use for here. Anyhow, I'm just showing you it's part of my table. I'm not going to show you the disaster quite yet. Anyhow, so I don't remember if I bought the clear vinyl tablecloth at the dollar store for $3. For $3. Anyhow, and it's 52 by 90 inches. Now, it covered that window, plus it's enough to cover the window on the door, plus a little bit left. But I needed some for the window in the living room. So that's a whole lot cheaper. $6, let's say, $6 plus tax. Um, Compared to like 15, $20 anyhow. And this, when the winter is over, I just have to fold it up, put it away, and then I could use it again next year. So with the other stuff that you buy, the kits, you can't use it again. It's I find that it's very thin and it gets destroyed very easy. So this is good. It's vinyl, so I'll see what happens this winter with this. Anyhow, so sorry. Okay, now uh, I also that's my toaster. That's my convention oven. My toaster sitting on top of that. Anyhow, uh, what else I've been doing is now cover your eyes. You're not going to believe this disaster. I have been slowly been trying to clean up my table. This is my table right now. This is my craft table. It's a total, I have nowhere, not 1 inch of place to do any crafting. Okay. So I've been slowly cleaning it up. In the corner, it's over here, the corner right over in there. Okay. Right here. That spot right there, right in front of where it says Hunts. There was this tea box. Sorry. This tea box, and it was just flowing over, overflowing with bits of pieces of paper that I would throw over there, and it was just overflowing everywhere. So what I did was the other day, I went through it all. So that's all the little pieces that are in there. little bits and pieces. There was also, I also filled this box up. Now this was in that, all this, what's in here, all this, what's in this box here, was overflowing, like you can see. That box was overflowing, that tea box. Anyhow, so yeah, what was in there? I taken out like ephemera pieces from a junk journal and just bigger pieces of paper. And there was a couple of like napkins in there. Sorry. I hope I'm not making you guys sick. And there was also in there some magazine and calendar and whatever, food box, advertising containers, um, chip bags that I took off pictures off of, or from the cat food. Anyhow, that's all in here. And that's going to go also. I have a binder that I keep all this ephemera like that in there. So I just wanted to come in. I just wanted to come on to show you guys why I haven't been around for a while. So now this box of larger pieces I could put here into this corner here. And I could put the tea box on top of it. So, because that corner was really, it was getting me even more depressed. So now that's cleaned up. Now I just have to get the rest of this cleaned up. So, yeah. I've also done some shopping. So, dollar store stuff for Halloween stuff. There's not that much Halloween stuff. I figured this is for that's for a wall decoration, Halloween wall decoration. But I figured I could get that, like a Halloween journal at some point. I don't know if I'll have time this year. I mean, it's October. It's the 22nd of October today. So anyhow, I just wanted to come on and show you guys my big disaster. This is my craft table, which is my kitchen table, as you guys know. So, yeah, I have absolutely nowhere to craft. So, once I get it cleaned up, and I don't know how long it's going to take me. Usually on Wednesdays, I do some stuff, but I'm not sure yet. I might be on the road tomorrow. So, I don't know if I'll be able to do anything tomorrow. Anyhow, I'll do some today off camera. I just don't want to bore you guys with all kinds of stuff. Anyhow, so yeah, looks under my table. Look, that plastic bin, this one here, that's full of napkins. And this here, that green box, that's a shoe box, that's also scraps. Okay, and that's my scale, and that's my Lazy Susan on there. Anyhow, not that you guys would be interested in all that. But anyhow, so that's it, guys. Hopefully, I will be able to get back to crafting soon. Yeah, I have an idea of what I want to do. It's nothing new, but it's a little different. Anyhow, so that's it, guys. I'll see you another time. Ciao.